Namaskar दोस्तों, welcome to Apple Man. Today in this video we will see how you can reset your Final Cut Pro 90 days trial period if it expired. So let's start. So as you can see here, my Final Cut Pro trial has expired, same as in your case. So first of all, so what you have to do, you have to launch terminal. Okay, so you can launch the terminal and paste the script which is given in the description. You will paste the script in the description. Then after pasting, press enter, and now let's check that our trial has renewed or not. So when you relaunch your Final Cut Pro, and boom, as you can see here, it is giving you that the Final Cut Pro is expired after 90 days. So that's how you can do it. And as you can see the dashboard in which the features it is given. Okay, so that was the it. Last वाला बना देते हैं. So as you have seen that how you can reset the Final Cut Pro license, and that's how you can do it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can comment down that yes, I have also renew our Final Cut Pro. It will be helpful for me. Please comment down. And last but not least, you can subscribe Apple Man. If you have a MacBook or an iPhone, then on this channel I will create iPhone and MacBook tutorials on whatever the topic you can think of. Please comment down and I will tell you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Like this video and subscribe. Thank you.